What if a simple sketch could turn into a mouth-watering ad? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So hi guys, this is Rise on Motion and we'll start by creating a sketch draft in Illustrator. So guys, I'm creating in my own way manually, but there's another way also that you can create a shape of the burger, which is you can put a photo as a reference on the Illustrator and reduce its opacity to 40%. So then you can use the pen tool to carefully trace each section of the burger. First the top bun, then the lettuce, then the tomato slices, the cheese, and finally the bottom bun. All the ingredients that you wish to see in your picture. And I'm not adding too much detail here. The idea is just to create a clean outline sketch that captures the shape of the burger and the color. So it becomes easy for Adobe to recognize what ingredients we have used and we are looking for in that burger. This is done, and this step is really important because it gives Firefly a clear structure to work with later. Let's go to Firefly and type a prompt. The prompt, which is cheese, burger, and the background lights and the ingredients that I wish to see in that burger. And once we type on generate, okay, so this is my long detailed prompt that I gave. Then I change the settings. Okay, for effects I'm going for let's see. Oh, it has already generated this picture and I was looking for that picture only. It looks really realistic and very cinematic. Okay, let me save this first and then I'll try more variations to this. So guys, I played with Firefly's variations with concepts and lighting. Like here I'm doing cinematic and I changed the camera angle to the lighting, which is studio light. This is my go-to one. But okay, no, this is too AI-ish. I'm not gonna use this one. Definitely not. So I'm gonna keep trying more. Okay, the first one I've already liked, but I still wish to do more experiments with their settings and find out the best one. So these also look good to me. Okay, no, I am gonna try another angle with lighting and camera. This is okay-ish. No, I'm gonna try another layer. Okay. Okay, let's see. No, it's too bright. Okay, let's go with wide angle and no. I know graphic looks more like some things are just set up together as we make it in Photoshop. It is looking like that. It's not looking real. And this part here looks too clean, like it's looking very formal and not mouth-watering. So mouth-watering to me is more like something vibrant, something more colorful. And it should also not feel like it's too much, like too hard to believe, too unreal, too much filtered. Okay, this looks cool, but it looks like it's too much unreal. It can't be done like that. And I like this first one that I created. It feels real. It feels like you have clicked a photo shoot for these food pictures. It looks very, very mouth-watering. And then mess also adds to it. Okay, so I'm gonna just tell it to use the reference as a style reference, and let's see what Firefly is going to do. Yeah, so this looks very mouth-watering and similar to the first one that I created. After doing all the trial, I'm still sticking to the first style that I created. But it was worth it. At least I know I have so many options that I can place in my ad. Okay, let's just tweak the prompt a bit. You see, guys, now that all has come together, that real sketch that I created isn't a sketch anymore. It has transformed, and it's very mouth-watering, premium quality food advertisement. So, if this inspired you, hit like, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe for more design and motion tutorials every single week. This is Rise on Motion, where we give brands motion magic.